Welcome to the course. JavaScript is the most popular programming language in the world. JavaScript, often abbreviated to JS, is the default language of the internet. But it doesn't stop there. JavaScript powers your smart TV, works with the Internet of Things, and helps build cross-platform apps. VSCode, the program we'll use in this course to write the code, is written using, you guessed it, JavaScript. Because JavaScript is the default language of your browser, you can start to write your JavaScript code without installing any programs. You can just use your browser, making JavaScript the easiest programming language for new coders. Having learnt the language, you can then more readily lend your skills to another coding language, such as Python, Java, or C++. You'll be pleased to know that JavaScript is easy to learn. If you do one lesson a day, and they vary in length from 10 minutes to an hour, then you'll have a good grounding in the basics of coding. Don't forget to download the free ebook that accompanies this course using the resources link. Most of my coding has been for online games, and you'll find a slant in the course towards solutions that suit game developers, but essentially the concepts apply to all developers. JavaScript is super versatile, and you'll soon be using it to add cool dynamic elements to your web pages. Often apps have front-end coding, the bit the user sees, and JavaScript is used for that. But now, with software called Node.js, you can also use JavaScript to write the back end, interacting with databases to deliver data to your user. The most popular delivery format for data even has JavaScript in the name. JavaScript Object Notation, JSON, is the go-to standard for data exchanges on today's internet. An increasing number of businesses and organizations rely on software for sales and production, many using JavaScript as the principal language. There's a corresponding increase in demand for developers who are familiar with JavaScript, and there's a shortage of good JavaScript developers, so you have increased demand and a shortage of qualified people. The average salary in the USA for a JavaScript developer is over 6 figures. If you're looking to become a programmer who can always be assured of a stable career and get well compensated for it, then you want to learn JavaScript, and in this course I'll show you how.